It's astonishing to think, back in the 60s, something started from something so small, but how much promise it had at that time for it to ultimately become what it is today.
The mission is so important because it involves the patient.
So many people either don't know they have psoriasis or don't know what to do about it. So there's a tremendous amount of suffering out there that we could alleviate if we could connect those people to the proper resources.
The foundation connects us together with other people that understand exactly. And once you meet at least one person that gets it, that lives the life that you live, it completely frees you. It changes your life, and you think, I'm not by myself.
There's other people there fighting for us, helping us, and helping fight to try and find a cure for this disease.
I think the Psoriasis Foundation is a wonderful community that allows all of us to work together. Patients, physicians, researchers, trying to solve this disease, trying to improve the life of those who have it.
The foundation, I think, really puts together the hopes and dreams of all psoriasis patients, which is ultimately to find a cure.
We're really spreading the word what psoriasis is and making people aware. And what we're really working for is a cure. Now, over the past dozen years, there have been so many more drugs as a result of the activity of the National Psoriasis Foundation.
Without the National Psoriasis Foundation, we'd probably have very few of the treatments that we currently have.
50 years of dedication fighting for a cure reminds us that the arc of progress is long. In the 80s and 90s, we had maybe 1 or 2 treatments. In the early 2000s, we had maybe 3 or 4 new treatments. Now we're getting dozens of new effective therapies in the pipeline. It's remarkable to bear witness to the progress.
I am just so impressed with what the Psoriasis Foundation has done and is doing. And I know that the future is just going to be all the brighter for the fact that we have all these wonderful staff and volunteers and people involved.
I want to thank the MPF for learning and sharing and listening.
Thank you for everything that you've done. We're going to continue to work, and you can believe Jonathan Ray Scott is going to be there to help fight and cure psoriasis.
Thank you for all you've done for the psoriatic patients.
Thank you to the MPF for your advocacy, your strength, your perseverance.
On the 50th year, I think it would be very appropriate if we all raised our glass and said, here's to you.
You should be so proud of what you've accomplished as a foundation, and cheers to many more accomplishments. I'm confident that we're going to get there. We're going to get to a cure.